Friends, all season.
Which one? Of the hot? Who do you want to win? Henry, who do you want to win? Smiley face? Who do you want to win? The hot? Okay. Oh, the hot one! John, the hot one! We're gonna check out the club real quick and then we'll go back to the seats to get ready for the fireworks. So that base is from the 2007 World Series. Daddy went to that World Series when I was in college. Here's the babe.
Why are all those balls?
Those are like the different symbols for the Woo Sox.
What's this?
I think don't touch that. I think it's like a trophy, like a plate. It's pretty cool, huh? This is nice.
All of this stuff was made in 25 too. He played in the 2000.
Like this park? Yeah. All right, we're gonna walk down the ramp. And we're gonna walk past the park and we'll walk back to our seats over there, okay? Sound good? Check out the outfield. New construction over here in Worcester. I got you guys, don't worry. Watch out for people, okay? Those. Wow, cool, huh? It's like a party. All right, easy. Chill it, easy. Cheese. All right, good job. All right, keep going straight, all right? Village root for the Woo Sox. 2, 3 strikes are up. Yeah, so these are some of the people like run the team, and then this guy right here is on the Red Sox at the end. Yeah. He used to play on this team. Now he's on the big Red Sox. Yep.
That's a Worcester win. Brought to you by Wonderful Pizza. Yay! Final score. So it's Steelers Pearls 1. And if you're in the front row, you may have to help out your neighbor. If one lands near you.
Here comes the truck. See, look at it, throwing the balls up. Isn't that crazy? You might get hit in the head with a ball. There you go in.